Hi, this is David with eMiniTradingStrategies.com. Right now we are waiting for a normal system entry to the long side. That's our NSE. Would be, you'll see a little green dot there on the left hand chart if we get one. Got my stop loss set for 8 ticks, profit objective set for 5 ticks. My longer term chart is close to going long, so if I get this long NSE, I will probably try to get a little bit more out of the trade. But right now we don't have the long NSE, so we're going to wait. Got my mouse above here at my entry price. That's my worst case entry price, 61.75. If we get the NSE, I'll go in at that price limit. If it's below it, I'll get filled instantly. Start hitting some downward pressure, we'll have to look towards a pullback trade. Alright, we're gearing up, we're getting close. Need to see this market start heading above 61.25 or so. We should get a normal system entry based on pro indicator. Normal system entry, 233 tick, 4 to 7, 4 to 8 tick target's pretty good. If you have a longer term chart behind it that goes long behind it, you can push it out longer. Here we go, let's get ready. There's a signal, let's go in. Okay, we're long at 61.50. Price action at 62.50, 4 ticks. I'll take my stop loss up to break even. We start seeing some bullish bars. I'm going to drag my profit up too. Our long term's getting close to going long. I think it's good. I'm going to pull this up. Just a couple ticks, try to capitalize and grab a little extra off this trade. Get ready to move my stop loss up. Got a pretty strong run, looks like. Long term is really close to going long. Of course, I teach all that on my trading course. I can't show everything on one video, but we got some nice bullish bars here. Higher lows, higher highs. As long as it stays above here, we should hit it. Let's see, we want to keep making higher lows here. Ready to move my stop loss. If it breaks above 62, we should see 62.50 quite quickly. Then I'll move my stop loss up to even. Yeah, well, we're heading back down. If we get what I call a chop signal, I'll have to reverse. But we're back up. This is kind of moving around pretty quick. So we're either going to hit our target up here, or we're going to have to reverse if we get a chop signal. A chop signal isn't necessarily a normal system entry, but it could happen on the same bar. Okay, we got to reverse. Okay, we lost 3 ticks on that trade. Normally when I lose, I go for a full recovery up to 8 ticks. We only lost 3 ticks, but I could take this down and move it to an 8 tick level and try to catch a nice recovery plus, that'd be an additional more on, 8 ticks would be more than enough. That would be a 5 tick profit on top of it. Let me move my stop loss down here to break even. But I'm not going to go for a full 8 ticks. I don't need it. 5 ticks will probably work out just nice. So I'm going to go ahead and just take this up here towards 50. Go for 5 ticks. That'll be a recovery and plus profit. Let's see if we can get filled here at 50. I could probably hold off a little. Oh, there we go. Could hold off for a little more. Only needed 2 more ticks to make my daily profit. Let's see if we can get it really quick, even though I'm not in it. Yep, sure enough, we would have had our additional 2 ticks, maybe even 3 ticks if it drops down here. Yeah, there it was. So we would have had a full recovery. I could enter a pullback trade here, but I'm going to stop the video as we're getting very low on time. So thanks for watching, and we'll restart the next video.